Okay.
You get that beer can.
He's getting annoyed. Oh, that was close, honey.
Aim a little bit lower, Kenny.
That was close.
Got it.
Yeah. Good job.